What's up guys, it's Mitchell, and today we're going to be looking at a very unique 2018 Copo Camaro. And what that is a factory drag car from GM, which is super cool. Now this car does not have a VIN number, this car does not have a speedometer, this car doesn't have a gas gauge, this car does not have power steering, nor air conditioning. This is strictly a drag car weighing only 3,400 pounds. Now if you notice on the side of the car, it has Hot Wheels on the side. Now that's one of 29 ever made, which is super rare. It's a $19,000 option. Now there's two options you can get with the Copo. You can get a 350 Supercharged or a naturally aspirated 427. Now the one we're looking at today is a Supercharged 350 with a Whipple supercharger. This thing is extremely unique, making over 600 horsepower. Now, if you notice, there's a huge tank in the front of this engine, which is called an ice tank. And what you're gonna do is fill that up with ice right before you make a run at the drag strip to really cool down that supercharger. Colder the air comes in that supercharger, the faster this thing goes. Strictly a drag racing car. This thing is not meant for the street at all. We have this massive Whipple supercharger. Connected to that would be a 350 with LSX heads with some long tube headers, making again 600 horsepower for that awesome 9-second run at the drag strip. Now going back on the side of the vehicle, you're gonna see these awesome Hoosier skinny tires connected to the lightweight weld wheels, and coming all the way back to these massive weld rims with these massive slick Hoosier tires to get as much grip as you possibly can. Now if you notice, this has a huge Hot Wheels decal. Now again, it's a very special edition car, one of 19. Now you couldn't just walk into GM and say, hey, I'm gonna buy a Hot Wheels. You actually had to win the lottery, which is basically a raffle, to actually be able to purchase this car. One of 19, $19,000 option. Really cool car when you're taking it to the track. Now coming to the back of the car, you're gonna see this awesome parachute with this wheelie bar. Now what that does is keep the front wheels from coming all the way off the ground and keeps it planted going down the drag strip. Now name of the game with drag racing, you want to keep the car planted so you can get that 9-second run down the drag strip. Now if you go on the interior of this Copo, you're going to see 2 racing bucket seats, a full cage that's going through the whole vehicle, your quick shifter, and if you notice where the radio is where all your switches are to turn on your fans, your pumps, your intercooler pumps, the ignition, your fans. Again, this is strictly a race car. There's no radio, there's no air conditioning. So if you notice, extremely bare bones. Now again, this is not your average Camaro. So this is actually no VIN number. This is a part number. So you would actually order this as a part number. The motor's a part number, the body's a part number, the seats are a part number. Everything about the Copo is a part number, which makes it super unique. So you can't just go in and buy one, but you can at TexasHotRides.com. Now you're not just buying the car, there's a lot of goodies that goes with this Copo. This car does not have a title. This would be a bill of sale only. So again, this one is available at TexasHotRides.com. Come check it out. Now, if you're not into drag racing, we have a lot of different kind of Camaros. If you want to go drag strip, we got the Copo. If you want to go to the road course track, we have the ZL1 1LE Extreme. We have it all here at Texas Hot Rides. Now let's go ahead and start this thing up and hear what it sounds like. All right guys, thanks for watching the Copo Camaro. Check it out on TexasHotRides.com.